Hola, buenos dias. Today we are going to show you how to remove the front cover of the blower. First, we have 8 screws at the outside, and we can remove it easily. Then we have 4 in the center. Just use a Phillips screw to remove it. And it can be done very quickly. And then we can use a wrench to click. This one is quite easy to remove. Sometimes for a new one you need to use a wrench or hammer to click. And then in the center is a screw, is a bearing, the front bearing. You can remove it easily. And then is the impeller. You can use 2 wrenches, one in the left, one in the right, and just remove from the bottom to the top. And then is the impeller. You can remove it quite easily. Now we come to the most important part. For this side channel, it's quite easily to have some dust in this channel or here in this hole. So you need to remove or clean or use blower to clean all the dust or any some blocks. It will decrease the pressure. So that's the main reason why our pressure is so low, and that's why we need filters to block the dust. This part or this whole channel, if anything blocked here, you need to blow it or remove it.